Hey, what is up guys? Today meron tayo i-review keyboard. Ito yung Fantech Maxcore MK852. Temo blue switch and very tactile, very good quality keyboard. First and foremost, maganda yung quality ng box as usual from Fantech. Lagi magaganda yung quality ng boxes nila. Makikita nyo dito na nakabalot ang keyboard sa parang plastic styro material para siguro hindi ma-scratch yung keys habang siniship. Meron ding dalawang styrofoam sa sides para hindi gumalaw ang keyboard. And meron tayong sticker na maganda. Very high quality sticker from Fantech. Meron din tayong kasamang key puller in case you want to change your keys and yung mismong manual ng keyboard. Now, moving on to the keyboard itself. Makikita natin na una-una yun yan, nakabalot siya ng plastic para hindi ma-scratch yung keyboard like most keyboards naman these days. And out of the box, naramdaman ko na very high quality yung keyboard. Hindi siya flimsy, hindi siya low quality. Kasi, I mean, you're paying 1,800 for a keyboard, so might as well get the most out of it, diba? So, napansin ko nung una pa lang na hindi gold-plated yung USB niya. Pero okay lang naman, no? Kasi mechanical keyboard naman to, hindi naman siya tulad ng mga ibang gamit na tinatanggal natin every now and then. And yan, yun ang keyboard mismo. So ito yung itsura niya bago i-on and ito yung itsura niya pag in-on. Meron siyang parang RGB na animation sa simula pa lang. Yan. Ayan, makikita natin na merong Maxcore na nakasabi dun sa taas ng arrow keys. Meron siyang wheel, multimedia wheel for purposes of volume. Tapos meron din siya for the RGB lighting, control the lighting. Meron din siyang multimedia keys dito kung gusto mo mag-skip ng song or gusto mo i-pause, gusto mo bumalik. Ayan. Very tactile yung feedback niya. So, testing natin ng lighting. Ito yung stars twinkle, ito yung ginagamit ko so far. Ito naman yung steady. Meron din tayong breathing. Yan. So meron din tayong flashway. Ito yung RGB option na pag pinapress mo yung keys, yung buong row niya umiilaw. So ang pinakagusto ko sa keyboard na to is obviously it's mechanical. Tsaka yung pangalawa is it has 20 lighting options. So ito naman yung streamer. Nagsisimula yung ilaw sa gitna and then it goes outward. Ito naman yung shadow disappear. Isa rin to sa mga favorite ng RGB option ko. Kasi ito yung pag pinipindot mo yung button, nag-stay siya for about 1 second and then nag-fade away siya. And so to talk about this build, it's very sturdy. It's very tactile. It's very affordable for its price, 1,800, pero I got it for 1,600 plus 50 pesos shipping. Ito naman yung Rich and Honored. So my overall rating for this, money-wise, I think I got the bang for the buck. I think I'm getting what I paid for. Overall lighting options, I prefer yung RGB and not this spectrum lighting, pero I don't mind kasi maganda naman ang lighting options niya. Marami rin siyang key features, pero ang pinaka-gusto ko dito sa keyboard na to is meron siyang sarili niyang software inside the desktop for Windows. Ngayon dun pwede mo i-adjust yung lighting, pwede mo i-adjust yung speed, pwede mo i-adjust yung lighting options mo, pwede yung gumawa ng sarili mong macro editor ng profiles for your personal needs. So overall, I recommend this keyboard. It's very affordable for its price. It's very tactile. It's very good quality keyboard. And full mechanical din siya. Tsaka marami siyang lighting effects and lalo na may software. So dito naman tayo sa typing test. Ito ay blue switch. Medyo maingay siya and clicky and tactile. Pero maganda. And so overall, guys, I suggest this keyboard. I recommend this keyboard, and thank you. I'll catch you guys in the next